shipping out today a beautiful platinum set, internally flawless emerald cut diamond ring to Bangalore for around 140,000 rupees, which is around 2,000 US dollars. And how is this any better deal compared to purchasing it online or from any other retail jeweler? Hello, I'm Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Jewels. Right now in the biggest wholesale market of the world, which is in Mumbai, where cutters and manufacturers supply 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world, where we are established. So the most important factor of this ring is the diamond. When you think of having an internal flawless diamond certified by a lab, you're only looking at the impurities of it, which is internal flawless in this case. But how about the diamond look? Whether it has the proper cut, whether it has the proper sparkle, the proper brilliance in it or no, can only be judged by a naked eye. When you see a diamond video online, it is a very enhanced video, so you don't get to judge that how the diamond looks in real. When we work by sourcing these diamonds right from these wholesalers, we inspect it with the help of the right magnifying glass, in the right lighting condition, and with the right understanding, so I can be able to judge it in a very comprehensive manner, where I will see how the brilliance of the diamond is, whether the impurities are of correct nature or no, whether the shade is correct or no, and then offer it to the customer. Now as a customer, for you to understand whether your diamond is good enough or no at a distant location, I will have to shoot it in the right lighting condition, put it on the finger so you know how big it looks, share the report details so you can compare it with your online jeweler or any other retailer. My promise and guarantee is you will find our coat much better in price and quality, because it's been picked right from the biggest wholesale market with the help of my guidance. Further, we offered various type of metal. In this case it is a platinum, around 6 grams of platinum, nice glossy finish the way customer wanted. We had a reference image of the design, and then in few working days we have managed to make it and now shipping it securely at their doorstep. Now this is the right way of buying a piece of diamond jewelry online. So in this case it's a ring set in platinum, but we can offer you something that you really wanted. Get our expert guidance with a small fee of 700 rupees or $10. We help you at every stage, share very vital information so you know exactly what you're gonna get, and that gives you peace of mind. So if that interests you, then reach out to me and I will guide you further. Thank you.